Oh boy, oh boy. One of our members just got free $24,000 worth of property from E-Estate simply by purchasing another 24,000 worth of property. The bonus for August is 100% match. What does that mean? It means if you purchase a property minimum of $1,000, they will match that $1,000 with another property worth $1,000. If you purchase a property that is $2,000, they will match it with another $2,000. What does that mean? This, our member now, has $48,000 worth of property. Guys, this is crazy. I have told you that this August promo is the best ever promo that E-Estate ever done in the history of E-Estate. Now, let me show you proof of this video, right? Because I don't just want to sit here and be telling you what is happening on YouTube thumbnail, but I want to show you a screenshot. Take a look at the screenshot, guys, right? The blue section, the blue coded information is the actual property that was bought. The Sunset Villa was bought for $24,270. And as promised by E-Estate that they are going to match whatever property you have purchased, starting from minimum of $1,000, you will get the same amount of property for free. So right here, you will see the evidence that promise that was made has been kept by E-Estate. So this our member purchased $24,000 worth of property, the one in blue. Follow the blue coding, right? Color coding for blue. Follow it, you will see Sunset Villa. And then boom, after few hours, okay, usually it's maximum of 12 hours, you will get your bonus. This our member got his bonus of Venetian Villa, which is exactly what they promised, for $24,270. Guys, this is crazy. I know I have been telling you guys this, especially those in my team, right? I've been telling you to take this opportunity seriously, right? Don't sit on it, because it's not going to be here forever. It's only going to be ending, I think, on the 22nd of August. This promo will end. Now, remember the criteria here. You have to purchase minimum of $1,000 worth of property for you to qualify to be given the 100% matching bonus of that money that you have used to purchase that property, right? So this is a clear case of promises that has been made by E-Estate, and they have kept so many promises, right, that they have made. Guys, this is crazy that is happening in E-Estate. People are just grabbing this opportunity just like that, right? So if you are in my team right now and you are looking to purchase a property, I will recommend get it up to $1,000, because that is the minimum for you to purchase a property for this bonus to be activated. They will give you another 1,000. If you purchase more than 1,000, they will match it up with whatever amount you have used to purchase that property. So guys, don't sit on this. Now, when you go to the back office of your E-Estate, for those that have registered, right, log in, go to your back office, select any property. It does not really matter what property you want to purchase, as long as the amount you are using to purchase that property is 1,000 minimum. E-Estate says they are going to give you back another property for 1,000. Okay, so now this is the profit calculator in the back office. You can select any property here, but the screenshot that I just showed you from our team members in E-Estate, they just purchased this Sunset Villa. Okay, now if you look at the Sunset Villa, you will notice that it is 15,000 minimum, right? to purchase a fraction of Sunset Villa. But this guy dropped 24K in here. Now, ordinarily, if you change this to 24,270, right? This is how much this guy is going to be earning on a monthly basis, over $3,000, right? Now, he got a bonus on top of this $3,287 that he's going to be making from this property every month. He got a bonus of $24,250 on the Venetian Villa. So let me go and look for that Venetian Villa. So this is the Venetian Villa. There you go, that one. And if you put in, change that to 24,270. So this guy is going to be getting $1,427 plus the $3,280 something that he's going to be getting. So this is almost 4K is going to be making. So now remember, this one is free. He did not purchase this one. This one is the matching bonus for the purchase of the Sunset Villa that he deposited and purchased for $24,270, as you can see from here. Okay, so guys, this is crazy. I have told you guys that the best bonus that they are offering is this one that is happening in August. So don't sit on this. The bonus is going to expire on the 22nd of August. So hurry up, grab a piece of this property for minimum of 1,000 and you will get a matching bonus of that money that you used to purchase that property. This is evidence to show that E-Estate is keeping to their promise. Okay, they've made the promise already 2 days ago that they are going to match whatever amount of money from as minimum as $1,000 purchase of any property. Okay, just go back to your account, select any property and purchase that property from 1,000 and above. Whatever amount from 1,000 and above, they are going to give you back the same amount of money on the Venetian Villa property. So if you find this video interesting, okay, if you know that you want to increase your portfolio, increase your earnings in E-Estate, this is the best time for you to do so. All right, any amount you use to purchase property, they will give you back another property for free for the same amount of money. So the link to join is below this video description. I look forward to seeing you guys in my team. For those people that have not joined E-Estate yet, this is the best time for you to do so. You saw what happened in the back office with the profit calculator. If you are looking to check how much you want to earn, I will recommend you register. It's free to register. Okay, you don't have to pay money to register. Just register and then go to the profit calculator and use it to calculate how much you want to deposit to purchase a fraction of a property and then how much you are going to be earning. The profit calculator will tell you that. And then on top of that, E-Estate will match that amount with the bonus they are offering for this August promo. So don't sit on this. Jump in with the link below this video description. For those of you that are already E-Estate members, log in and do this, right? Let's increase our daily earning. Let's keep just, purchasing more properties and increasing our portfolio in E-Estate. Thank you and God bless.